my hair's a mess, I'm sweating like a pig, but I decided to have another cheat because I did so well yesterday on my cheat that it didn't really feel like a cheat. So I'm gonna really pull it all out this time with my cheat. So let me show you what all I got. I went to Dollar General, which I applied at Dollar General today, by the way. And I got dill pickle chips. I got bacon cheddar fries from Chester. I got Trolley Sour Bright Blasts. I guess they're filled with juices. And then I got these Trolley Big Bold Bears. I've had these before, these are good. I've also had the Chester's cheddar bacon fries, those are good. I got this Sour Patch ice cream, that sounded yummy to me. And I got a pickled sausage. I've always wanted to try pickled sausage. I don't think I've ever had it before. That's not all. In here I got more acetone for my nails. I got a Chorizo's pineapple, which is my favorite flavor. I was excited that they had it there. And I got a big box of tampons because it's almost the time. And I got a jar of Nutella, and Omegon inspired this because he was talking shit about Nutella, and Nutella is the shit. It's so good. So I got some to spite him. Okay, so let's try this. First I want to pour my pineapple Doritos. Because I want something nice and ice cold and refreshing. Okay, now let's try this Sour Patch ice cream. So I'm still waiting on my tarot cards to come in the mail. I think they're gonna come really late today. That is so good. Oh my gosh. Yum. It's delicious. It's like sour and sweet. It's got swirls of, I think, some kind of berry sour, and then it's got like confetti in it. I want some gummies to go with that. So since I've had these ones before, I'm just gonna have one of them. Gummy bears. Now, gummy candies are my favorite kind of candy. So good. The little pineapple Doritos. I feel like I'm in Wonka's chocolate factory. Okay, I just realized I need to plug in my camera so the battery doesn't die, so hold on a second. Okay, I think I fixed it. So now let's try these ones. I haven't tried these ones before. These are Trolley Sour Blast. So I'm gonna try one of each color. Whoa. Orange. green. The green is better. Blue. Ooh, the blue is good too. And red. Red is good. I would say I like the bears better than these though. Alright, let's take some ice cream with these. This ice cream is so good. So today I filled out an application at Albertsons and Dollar General. They were really close to me. It's so good. Okay, one more gummy bear. And then I guess I'll try the Nutella. So this Nutella is just for you, Megan. And there was no shortage. They had it, the shelves fully stocked, so. Big old scoop of Nutella. So good. See, this was made in Mexico. So us Americans are not going to be short of Nutella. So good. Very rich though. I don't think I can eat the whole thing at once. Wow, it surprisingly goes well with pineapple. I guess chocolate and pineapple would make a logical pairing. Okay, so now I'm gonna try this Hannah's Big Pickled Sausage. Ooh, is Hannah a tranny? Sorry, I know that's bad language. See, when I was younger, that was an okay thing to say, but now nobody says the T word anymore. That's good. Yum. I like pickled sausage. My first time trying it. How about some pickled chips to go with that? I've never tried these before. Pickled chips. These are good. Tastes just like a dill pickle. That's a nice chip right there. Another one. These are so good for only $1. The brand is Wise. It's so good. Okay, I kind of want another gummy bear. Now some bacon cheddar fries. These are really good if I remember right. So good. So today I had mad cravings to go to the movie theater and get movie theater popcorn and a Slurpee slushy thingy. But my mom has her car at the mechanics for the weekend, so we couldn't go see a movie together. And so I decided to go out and buy some treats instead. And it's pretty typical of me to get like cravings this time of the month. I will admit though that this binge is a little excessive compared to usual. Sometimes they are this excessive, but usual it's just like go to McDonald's, get maybe I don't know, 5 burgers, a large fry, and a sweet tea. It really depends. My binges are sporadic. But look, getting collarbones. So the working out is working for me. Because if I was too fat, I wouldn't have collarbones. And the weight on the scale is slowly creeping down. And I'm fitting into smaller pants. So I think it's okay to binge every once in a while. Just don't make a habit of it. Like me doing this back to back, I don't think that was such a wise thing. What I should have done is just made it one day where I did it. Also, you got to take into consideration how tall you are, how big your bones are, because if you're a really small, petite-framed person, you're not going to be able to binge on so many stuff. Like, for you, maybe just one thing of ice cream is a binge. Or for me, since I'm 5'9" and I have big bones, I can binge on all this stuff and not really feel so guilty because, you know, one workout for me burns over 1,000 calories, where a workout for you might only burn 600 calories. That's why I always put on my blog, be sure to adjust portion sizes to your height and frame. And it's the same if you're a tall guy. If you're a guy that's like, I don't know, 6'5", 6'4", you're gonna want more food. But I don't know, because guys are kind of different than girls. I think guys need more food too. But point being, your height, your body frame, they all come into account with how many calories you need and you can afford to binge on. I'll have a gummy bear then, and then I will be done. And we will tally the damage. Okay. Let's see what damage is done from this binge. Okay, so we have, I'm gonna finish drinking this anyways, so I'm gonna count the entire bottle. Already for just one of these sodas, I'm at 570 calories. And then I had probably about 4 tablespoons of Nutella. So there's another 400 calories. That entire binge was 1,837 calories. Yeah, that's a lot, but it could have been worse. It could have been a lot worse. I might eat some more of this tonight, or I might save some of it for tomorrow. Probably eat some more gummy bears. I might head over to the gym tonight because I probably want to work some of this off. But then again, it's that time of the month, but I should probably work some of it off. And I'm gonna be up all night anyways. I have no obligations tomorrow, so I might as well head over to the gym sometime tonight. And like I said, one workout for me usually burns at least 1,000 calories, if not more. So I'm looking at burning off 1,000 calories from what I ate, and that would make it only 837 calories. Still, all the sugar and fat and salt isn't good for me, but you gotta live, you gotta live. Alright, I'm gonna have one more gummy bear. But look at my face. Doesn't my face look slimmer? Could be the lighting. But I'm really seeing my cheekbones, my jawline. My neck is being more defined, and my collarbones here. So I think all the effort I'm putting in at the gym is starting to pay off. And it'll pay off more once I'm switching the medication and on a medication that doesn't make me retain so much weight. Thanks for joining me for this mukbang, and I will try to have the tarot readings up tonight. I don't know when I'm going to get those tarot cards. I'll go check and see if they dropped them off at my door and they didn't ring the bell. But see y'all later. Bye!